welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be using English language because some of the teachers came from Nagaland district to help us in teaching for children. So now they are going to leave this school. Some of the teachers are going to leave this school, so I want to meet them to you all. So let's begin the video. So I want to ask questions, okay? So before coming to this school, what did you think about this school and the students and the teachers?
Okay, first I'll take the first privilege in saying this. Before I come here, personally, I just while crossing this road, our missionary told me that this was the school where we'll be ministering, we'll be teaching, And so when I saw the school when saying it was quite not the facilities not so good, But after coming here, and seeing the students, the performance of their students and the teachers how they teach, it was quite good. It was quite interesting, and as comparing to other schools, they say English medium school. But as for here, yes, it's English medium school, as well as the students are also quite fluent. Not so fluent, but they're trying their best in speaking out the English, and that's the good thing that I see here. And the good thing here is also, although the students are not much in every classes, they give their best in responding also, and even in learning. And that's the good thing I see here. And yes, as for now, that's the thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for helping us in teaching.
One thing, first of all, thank you for the video. And then, after coming here, at first, after seeing this infrastructure building, I was so boring, and then I was so sad. But I thought it was not so good. But after I teach the student, and then they are so kindly, and then even the teacher also, they are very kind, and yeah, that's all. And I love them very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for coming here and for helping us to teach for the
if possible,
children.
then we'll meet again.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be coming again. We'll be going next Monday. And we won't be coming back, but the next group will come back, and I hope they'll do the same thing or even better than this.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. Okay. Why?
Do you know that some of the teachers will be leaving from this school? Do you know or not? Some of the teachers will leave this school. Okay. So for them, what you want to tell? You tell. What you want to tell? You will miss them or not? You will miss. Then decide. You will miss or not? They will be going the next week, right? They will be leaving this school. So, what do you want to tell about them? Anything? You will miss or not? You will miss them, right? So do you know that some of the teachers will leave this school very soon? Do you know or not? Some of the teachers will leave this school very soon, right? So, what do you want to tell about them? Tell me. What do you want to tell about them? About sir, about miss? Tell me. Tell me. You will miss them or not? Yes. Who will miss them? Tell me. Everyone. Yes. Everyone will be missing them. Yes. Do you know that some of the teachers will leave this school very soon? Do you know or not? Some of the teachers will leave this school very soon. So, what do you want to tell about them? For sir, for the miss? What do you want to tell? Tell me. They are leaving very soon, right? For miss and for the sir, you tell something. Tell. You will miss them or not? Yes. Who will miss them? You raise your hand. You will miss them. You all will miss them, right? Do you know that some of the teachers are leaving this school very soon? Do you know or not? You know, right? Yes. What do you want to tell about them? For sir and for the miss? Good. What do you want to tell?
Teaching.
And
For learning. For learning.
you will miss them or not?
Yes.
All of you will miss them.
Yes.
This is the last class, right?
Yes.
And they will go in the next week. Okay. They will leave this school the next week.
Yeah.
Do you know that some of the teachers are going to leave this school? Do you know or not? Some of the teachers are going to leave this school, okay? For that, what you want to tell? You tell? What you want to tell for them? For Miss and for the sir? What you want to tell? Tell? You will miss them or not? Who want to miss them? You raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who want to miss them? You all. You all will miss them. So sir and all the miss and all the sirs are going in the next week, okay? They will leave this school. Okay? Do you know or not? Some of the teachers will leave from this school.
Yes.
Did you know? Some of the teachers will leave from this school. Do you know or not? So what you want to tell for them?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for teaching. For
Yes.
teaching.
And
And we'll miss.
last bench,
Yes.
you will be missing them, right?
Yes.
For whom you will be missing? For Miss or Sir?
Teacher.
Sir. And
Everyone.
for everyone you will be missing, right? And anything you want to give message for them?
Yes, we are writing a letter. Already giving.
All of you
Yes.
from this side, did you give? So do you know that some of the teachers will leave this school very soon? Do you know or not? Do you know?
Yes.
Some of the teachers are going to leave this school very soon. So for them, what you want to tell? You give a message for them, okay?
Yes.
What you want to tell? Tell me.
Give
What? Tell me. You give message to the sirs, to the miss, okay?
Yes.
You give? You say something? You will miss them or not? Everyone, you will miss or not?
Yes.
You sir will miss, you raise your hand. Who will miss them? You all.
Yes.
You all will miss them.
Yes.
Then tell about something.
All miss also so good.
And sir?
Sarah also good.
Good.
Yes.
Right. Okay.